Hello friends, welcome back to Gupta Education World. In our last video on pivot table, we have learned to create pivot table in simpler way and to create pivot table from data available in different sheets. If you have missed these videos, you should see the same. Those will be very useful for you. The link of the same is available in the description portion below this video. In this video, we will discuss the unique feature of using report filter option available in pivot table. After you summarize your data by creating pivot table, if you want to focus on some specific data, you can use this report filter option. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin the topic. Friends, here you can see that this table contains the sales numbers of various products. Now firstly we will create pivot table from this data. Firstly we will select the data from left to right and up to down. Now we will click on insert menu and click on pivot table. Now we will click on OK. Now we will drag this city to row label and month to column label and products to row label and sales to value labels. This pivot table is showing product by sale in each city. Now suppose we have to see a report which shows the sales amount in each city month wise of ceiling fan or laptop or only mobile. So we will drag product from row label to report filter. Here all products are appearing. Now we can use this report filter to show the data of any one product or many products or all. If we have to show the sales data of laptop, we will click on laptop and click on OK. So this report is showing the sales number of laptop in each city month wise. Now suppose we have to show the data of laptop and mobile both. So we will click on this select multiple items and click on laptop and mobile and click on OK. So this report is showing the sales number of laptop and mobile in each city month wise. So in this way we can use the report filter option to use the data as per our requirement. Friends, I hope you understand how to use report filter option in pivot table, and if you have any query or difficulty, please mention the same in comment box below this video. So friends, if you find this video useful to you, please press like button and share this video to your friends and colleagues. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please press on subscribe button and bell button to get the notification of newly interested videos uploaded in future. Thank you friends for watching this video. Take care. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.